To effectively use typography, consider the following tips. 1. Choose appropriate fonts. Select fonts that align with your brand's personality and message. Consider factors like readability, legibility, and the emotions or associations that different fonts evoke. Use a combination of fonts to create visual hierarchy and contrast. 2. Maintain consistency. Consistency is key in typography. Use the same fonts across different platforms and materials to create a cohesive brand identity. Consistency in font sizes, spacing, and formatting also helps maintain readability and professionalism. 3. Pay attention to spacing and alignment. Proper spacing and alignment can greatly enhance the readability and visual appeal of your typography. Ensure consistent spacing between letters, words, and lines. Align your text elements to create a clean and organized look. 4. Use hierarchy and emphasis. Establish a clear hierarchy in your typography to guide the reader's attention. Use different font sizes, weights, and styles, such as bold or italics, to emphasize important information or headings. This helps users quickly scan and understand the content. 5. Consider readability. Prioritize readability by choosing fonts that are easy to read, especially in smaller sizes or on different devices. Avoid using overly decorative or complex fonts that may hinder legibility. Test your typography on different screens and devices to ensure optimal readability. 6. Use white space effectively. White space, or negative space, is the empty space around and between your text elements. It helps create balance, improve readability, and draw attention to important information. Don't be afraid to use ample white space in your typography design. 7. Limit the number of fonts. Using too many fonts can create visual clutter and confusion. Stick to a maximum of 2 or 3 fonts to maintain consistency and simplicity. If you need variation, consider using different font weights or styles within the same font family. 8. Consider cultural and language factors. If your brand caters to a specific culture or language, be mindful of cultural and linguistic nuances in typography. Certain fonts or styles may have different connotations or associations in different cultures, so research and adapt accordingly. 9. Test and iterate. Always test your typography design on different devices, screen sizes, and materials to ensure legibility and visual appeal. Gather feedback from users or design professionals and make necessary adjustments to improve the effectiveness of your typography. Remember, effective typography enhances the overall user experience and helps convey your brand's message clearly. By following these tips and experimenting with different typographic elements, we have design services visually appealing and impactful designs, AI artists, children's book illustration, portrait and caricatures, cartoons and comics, pattern design, tattoo design, storyboards, NFT art. There are many customers all over the world reviewed after receiving my products. Please read my reviews to know what other clients think of me. I am very confident in my ability to provide you more than 200% of the product value as which you pay to me. See the link below for more detail. Your satisfaction is my happiness.